Welcome to Kalabera Forecasting. This is Suresh Kumar. So the next next topic in our Learn and Pay, we are going to look how to draw Gann angle. So here I want to say that to draw the Gann angle is very easy, but the concept in the Gann angle is very important. That is what I want to explain to you. Later you can understand how we are going to construct the Gann angle. So now basically if you look the Gann chart, mostly Gann used 1:1 ratio. Mostly you look at that Gann used graph sheet as a inches graph sheet. It's a inches. So there is a metric and inches is there. So mostly in India we are using a metric, that is mm. But in US they are using a inches. So inches having a harmonic. Okay, inches graph sheet having a harmonic. That's why he used a inches graph sheet. That is the first thing. Mostly you look at the Gann chart, any Gann chart, he used mostly a 1:1 ratio. 1 unit of time is equal to 1 unit of price. Look here, here they mentioned the 0 start point. Here it is also 4. This is a time, this is a price, this is a time. So first 4 because it is a inches. So inches always a 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, like that it will go. So he used exactly an inches scale. That is the first thing. So go on that period that the trade was happened in the stocks. The price of the stock is less than 200, 300, like that. So on those period, the 1:1 ratio is right. Okay. So any kind of Gann chart you can look at that. So he used mostly a 1:1 ratio. Okay. The difference between because of inches scale, one small box is one time and equal to one price. So here we are also going to do the same thing. So it is a time, it is a price. So one box is equal to 1 unit of time is equal to 1 unit of price. Sorry, now changed it. So now look, the 1 unit of price is equal to 1 unit of time. So here nowadays the stock is trading at 1 rupee to even 1 lakh also. So how to keep 1 day? For example, I am using a day candle. 1 day is equal to 1 rupee. How it is equal for 1 rupee stocks, even 10,000 rupee stocks. So it is something we have to change the price. 1 unit of time is equal to how many unit of price is a very important here. That is, we have an answer within this Gann angles. What is Gann angles? Many people understand it is a angle of degree. The angle is a 45 degree. After that they are changing that degrees each angles. Actually it is not a degree, angle of degree. It is actually a ratio between the price and time. That is what mainly he used. It is a price and time. 1 unit of price is equal to how much unit of price. That is what we have to calculate. He clearly given only the binary numbers. 1:1, 1:2. So 1:1 means 1 unit of price equal to 1 unit of time. Suppose 1:2 means 1 unit of price equal to 2 unit of time. 1:2. So 1:4 means 1 unit of price is equal to 4 unit of time. So 1 unit of price is equal to how much unit of price means 1, 2, 4, 8. These are binary numbers. He used a binary numbers. So binary numbers always very important. So many one know. So what is binary number? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, that 64, like that. So these are the binary numbers. Why it is a binary numbers means? So the concept is binary means ones and zero. So wherever you look at that, the 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 10. I am using only ones and 0 in this row. So when you look 1, after that 10, after that 10 there is a 11, after 11 there is no number with 0 and 1 combination, then fourth is a 100. Like that, when you go to the binary number, first one is a 1, second is a 10, then 100 is come under 4, 1000 will come under 8, 10,000 will come under 16. So like that, these are binary numbers mostly we are using in harmonic patterns. Okay. So same thing, now we are going to put 1 unit of time is equal to 1 unit of price, 1 unit of time. You look at that. It might be a 1. So normally you look 1 unit of time is equal to 1 unit of price, 1 unit of time is equal to 2 unit of price, 1 unit of time is equal to 4 unit of price. So it might be equal, 1 unit of time is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, like that, any kind of numbers, but it should be an harmonic number. That is the first preference we have to give in this Gann angles. So this is a simple concept. So we are going to fix it in the chart. I will show you how to draw the chart now. So we can take it a Nifty. Okay. So Nifty normally look, it's a something, some Gann angles we have to going to draw here from some swing low or swing high. So what we have to do now, we have to take some swing lows. So any swing low, I am keep using a day chart. Okay. Suppose this low we take a reference. Okay. So just to go to Gann fan, this is the low point. Just to keep the line. Double click on it. First you have to fix. So keep understand. I am explaining very simple English, not a complicated English. So keep understand. Just I keep the mouse point here. The high low, open high low is coming here. So just to keep the mouse. So 15,183.40 is a start point. That candle is minus 154. Now what I have to do, I add 64. I already told you now, because I fixed it already. I did an experiment in this Nifty. So Nifty is equal to 1 unit of time, that is 1 day is equal to 64 points. So just to take a calculator, without mistake you have to draw. So first 15,183, 15,183.40 plus 64. So you have to enter here 15,247.4. 15,247.4. Second, I already told this is a price we fixed 64 point. Now we have to fix the time. This is the time. So first it started a minus 154. Now we keep minus 153. 54 is a time 0 point. 53 is a 1 unit. So time is fixed. That's it. So 1 unit of time is equal to 64 points in the Nifty. Now you look at that Nifty. So you look that exactly it obeyed this Gann angle, 1:1 angle. This is 1:2 angle, exactly take a resistance and fell down. This is the 1:4 angle. You look at that, it takes many days, it takes a support there, then broken, then it reaching towards this. So whenever you look, it comes to this angle, it taking a some resistance. See, okay. So it trading between this above and below this line. So this is what I am doing in Gann angles. So basically I explained that. So you can try every swing high, swing low. You have to enter 1 unit of time is equal to 1 unit of price or 2 unit of price, 4 unit of price, 8, 16, 32, 64, like that. You can keep it. So do experiment on any stocks. You will get a good answer. Suppose somebody using a, what do you say, currency. For example, we take it as some currency GBP USD. I will take a random, I'm going GBP USD. So keep the day chart. So now look, some pattern is coming, some up and down like that. So here we are going to draw the Gann angles. How we draw? We take any swing high or low here. So which one is high we need to identify. So it is 1.42504. It is 1.42410. So this is 42. This one is a high. So what we do? We'll just take a put this line, draw. Here you convert this 1 point is in convert into 4, that is 1 digit number into 4 digit number. You multiply by 10,000 like that. So it become a 14,000 something will come. So I will show you how to do this. So first keep this 1.42504. This is the first. Okay. Then you do keep the calculator. 1 point, you remove the point value 4250.4. So I convert into 10,000. 1.4 into 10,000 times. So 14,250 plus 4 plus I add here 16. Okay. So it will come. See one thing. We are now, it is a degrees. Market is falling. We are putting the Gann angle from the top. So we have to decrease the price. So So 14,234.4. So what we have to do? 14,234.4. Okay. So now we have to fix that is a price we fixed. Now we are going to fix the time. So this is 0. So 1 we have to build. So this is what we have to do. Now look, it trading first this angle, it took support, then this angle, then taking a support here. So fine, look at this. Here it is a resistance, here it is a support, like that it moving. Okay. So in this Gann angle we have to keep at least for 1 or 2 years. So look at that. After a long time it's bouncing back, it taking a resistance. Exactly, look at that, it take a resistance. Okay. So like that every swing low we have to keep the Gann angle. At least 3 to 4 years major lows, always you keep the Gann angles. So I will show you the Nifty. You look at that Nifty, how many Gann angles I keep it. Okay. I keep it always from major swing low high, I keep the Gann angles. This is what I keep. See, when this cross section, I want to say main thing, when this Gann angles taking a cross, that day is a very pressure date. Okay. Look, this cross, this pressure. There is no compulsory, it has to stay in the cross section area. So it is happen, but not every time. But where the cross section is happen, na, that day, for example, I keep it here. See, cross section is happen. So that day, look, heavy fall was happen. So that day always we should keep some awareness. There must be some fall or something bottom or top. You look at that. This cross section market is some bottom made. So like that. So every cross section, that is a one angle to another angle. Every swing low we are drawing the angle. So any cross section, if it is happen, we have to give the importance for this. Okay. So this is what Gann angle I am using. You follow this. Second thing, if you are doing intraday, keep 5 minutes or 15 minutes. The ratio is same. The 1 unit of time, it may be a 1 day candle, 5 minute candle, 1 minute candle, 15 minute, any kind of time frame. But keep the 1 unit of price is equal to 1 rupee. That is a 1 unit of price, 2 unit of price, 4 unit of price, like that, binary numbers only. Okay. So understood now? So if any doubts personally, you can message me. I will clarify the doubts. If any more doubts, if it get now, I will prepare one more video for you. So clarify the doubts. Okay. So I think you will like this. You just do practice, enjoy the video, enjoy this knowledge. Okay, if you really love this knowledge, you can pay your whatever you wish. So I will share the my account details below this video. Thank you.